you doing?
How you doing, sir? Can I help you?
Yeah, I'd like to pay my bill, but I also want to see if I can fix my screen. My screen is cracked. You can replace the screen protector, fix the screen.
Okay. Okay. That's not a problem. It's coming. Let me get Franklin to help you. Franklin, you want to take a look at this?
Yes.
How you doing, sir?
Good, how you doing? We also have a service by Watchdog device repair. We can do the LCD screens, the glass screens, battery replacements.
Really?
So the start-off price is $80
Okay.
for iPhone 6.
Okay.
Top price would be $179.99 for 8 Plus. And then higher than that with the XS, it'd be,
And that's a 10.
yeah, it'd be $579.
Okay.
Is it 10? The 10 will actually be $200.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
All right, let me see what's up with that.
Yep. All right, I'll check it out. Give me a few minutes.
Okay.
I'll check it out.
Appreciate you.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
Boost Mobile, Watchdog phone repair, located at 44th and Breton, 2313 44th Street, Grand Rapids, Michigan, 49508, or call 616-805-3105. 4 free phones, 4 lines, $100 a month. Boost Mobile.